Hey guys, so today I'm so excited to be partnering with Biotrust Nutrition once again to talk about their Ageless Multi-Collagen. So if you guys are not familiar with collagen, collagen is so important for your skin, and not all collagen is actually equal. Like some of them are only used with one source and like it's just only one type is included. This one actually includes 5 types of collagen from 4 different sources, and it includes 4 different flavors. My personal favorites is that this is the unflavored one, and this one is the chocolate. I love the unflavored one because I can mix it with any other drink that I use. And the best part is it doesn't clump up with any drink you use, so you don't even know if you use one because it just blends in so nicely. But the chocolate one is great as well if you want to just drink it by itself or add a little flavor to your drink. So one thing I would recommend is that if you want to add it to your daily routine, you can also just add it to your protein powder if you just go to the gym or just take protein. So it just adds the extra protein because it's like 10 gram extra. And on top of it, it helps with your skin, hair, nails, joint, and also a little bit of a gut health. So definitely check it out from the link down here and try it for yourself.
So y'all know I'm all about being cute and nourishing my body from the inside out. So today I wanted to share with you guys my current favorite supplement, which is the biotrust multi-collagen protein. So collagen is a key building block in our body for our skin, nails, hair, our joint health. And what makes this collagen above all others is it contains 5 different types of collagen from 4 different sources, whereas most brands only contain 1 or 2. Also, they have no artificial sweeteners, no artificial coloring, and they're non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, and hormone-free. So they have 4 flavors. I've already tried the chocolate, so good. This is vanilla, there is a fruit punch, and a flavorless flavor. They also blend hot and cold, so it's so easy to add a scoop to your morning coffee or your morning smoothie, or you can even just have it on its own. This is also a complete protein, so you're getting 10 grams of protein, as well as helping to support your joint health, your skin health, having that youthful glow and appearance, and just supporting your overall wellness. So join the multi-collagen revolution and click the link to get your own.
Biotrust Ageless Multi-Collagen is leading the multi-collagen revolution. I kept hearing rave reviews for it, so of course I had to try it out myself, and I can honestly say I absolutely love this product. Okay, so first it provides 5 key collagen types for the array of full body benefits. The benefits that you want and also deserve. It's also super easy to digest because it's naturally hydrolyzed, which means that it's already broken down into peptides, which makes it easier for your body to digest. It also provides the essential amino acids that you need, which makes it a complete protein. I've noticed that it mixes super smooth, super creamy, no gross clumps in anything. It mixes well in cold and in hot. I love putting it in my coffee in the morning, and to not have clumps is chef's kiss. I also love that they offer an odorless and unflavored flavor because sometimes you're not into the flavors, but if you are a flavor person, they also have delicious flavors like chocolate, vanilla, fruit punch even, and they are so good. And the biggest reason I love Biotrust is because there is absolutely no junk. No artificial colors, preservatives, sweeteners, non-GMO, and hormone and antibiotic free. Biotrust even tests with 3 different party labs to ensure purity and potency. So do not settle for inferior collagen products that contain just 1 or 2 types of collagens and aren't even complete protein. So my question for you is, what are you waiting for? Join the multi-collagen revolution now.